In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install iDentSoft script. And I will be using code list for this testing purpose. Please let me go straight to my code list.cc. I open a new tab. Then search on code list.cc, enter. Then next I click on the search button to look on the script I'm looking for. iDent. Then next I click on enter to search for the script. Here is the script. I click on it. Next I scroll down to select the link to download the script. Okay, let me use this link. I copy it. Open a new tab, then paste it. Enter. Next I download, but I have already downloaded the script, so I don't need to download again. So let me just go to my computer, download. Here is the script. Then I start it. Here is the extracted file. Let me open it. I open this place. Here is the file I'm sending to my cPanel, but I can only send a zip file. That's why I zip it. This is the zip file. So let me go straight to my cPanel. So next I go from there. I go to my file manager. Then to my subdomain, because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purpose. So I go straight to my subdomain. I have already uploaded my script. So next I extract it. Extract files. Then I close this. Next I open this. I select all. Then I'm moving it to the root folder. Move. Move files. Then I click on up one level. I have successfully uploaded my script to my file manager. Next I go back to my cPanel to create my database. Scroll down. Okay, here is this, my SQL databases. Let me name my database as tested. Yes, create database. Next I click on go back. After creating my database, next I create my user. Let me name it. Let's put user. Create user. I've created my database and my user. Then I click on go back. Next I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. I'll make sure I select the one I just created, user I just created. the database I just created, then add. I give up privileges, then I scroll down to make changes. I have successfully created my database. So now let me go back to my subdomain, enter, I put the app URL here. Here is it. Host is localhost, database name, it's tested, port is 8080, username, tested, yeah, password, so email admin@admin.com, install. Then next I click on install. I have successfully installed my iDentSoft script. So here is my dashboard. So from here I can go to the home, about, services, contact, anywhere, and use the link in the description to purchase scripts. Don't forget, code list is only meant for testing purpose. Please use link in the description to purchase the script. If you like this video, use link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you for watching. Bye.